The design of the trophy came really quite quickly because at the core of all creation that we know of, I mean, certainly biological creation, is DNA. Working with Peter Davis at Hyperganic, we came up with this idea of sort of coagulating and joining 3 strands of DNA to form something hyper-complex. Actually, the sphere at the top is supposed to be growing into a new world. That's what that really means. So what it does is it transverses all of those categories, from fashion to architecture, biotech, and it's actually been beautifully produced by Materialise. So this is what happens when you triangulate between design, digital engineering, digital space, advanced 3D printing, and AI, if you like. You start to get things you've never seen before, but which somehow relate to what we call new nature.
Hi, I'm Simona.
And I'm Chris. Hello.
And we are the initiators of the 3DPC Challenge. This competition for 3D printing is organized since 2015.
A platform of creative minds who push the boundaries in their fields. And together with our expert jury, we now connect them.
And imagine you lock those creative guys together in a room, shake it, and see what happens.
Since 2015, the very first beginning, we always wanted to hand over a trophy to the main winner of the 3DPC Challenge. And now the time was just right with the last year's winners in the category Digital, Hyperganic, and our star designer, Ross Lovegrove. We are really proud of to have him. Together with Materialise, one of the big players in additive manufacturing, we now can say, see, we do have our trophy, which we can now hand on every year to the main winner of the 3DPC Challenge.
Thank you everyone to make this happen.